What if I told you there are 5 AI tools almost no beginners are using that could have made you an extra 3,000 last month? These aren't ChatGPT or Midjourney. They're hidden gems that can automate your income while you sleep. Stick around, by the end I'll show you how to start for free. Why 2025 is different? In 2025, the landscape of artificial intelligence shifts dramatically, moving beyond simple automation. Now it collaborates and enhances our capabilities in meaningful ways. What I discovered in my journey through these 87 AIs is pivotal, revealing opportunities hidden in plain sight. Get ready to unlock the potential of these underappreciated tools, as they could transform your approach to earning income online. Together, we'll delve into each tool's unique features, witness the earnings it can produce, and set actionable steps to kickstart your success in this evolving market. By embracing these innovative AI tools, you can leverage their power to efficiently drive revenue, paving your way toward financial independence. The future is bright, and with the right strategies, achieving 500 to 5,000 a month is not just a dream. It's an attainable reality with AI by your side. Tool number 1, Tavily AI, automated research. In today's fast-paced market, staying ahead is essential, and Tavily is here to streamline that process. By utilizing advanced algorithms, it identifies not just trends, but also hidden gems that many overlook. Imagine having the ability to transform your passion into profit, just like Sarah did with her unique approach to cat yoga accessories. With Tavily, your next breakthrough could be just a few clicks away, waiting to be uncovered and monetized. Now, envision saving a significant amount of your valuable time, up to 10 hours each week, which you can reinvest into your creative endeavors or business growth. Discover how easy it is to tap into lucrative markets by simply entering your interests into Tavily. You'll receive a comprehensive report detailing undervalued opportunities tailored just for you, guiding your next steps effectively. With Tavily by your side, your entrepreneurial journey could gain the momentum you've always desired. In conclusion, Tavily empowers you to unlock your potential and seize opportunities in the marketplace, just like Sarah did. With its automated research capabilities, you can efficiently navigate niche markets, making every hour spent a smart investment toward your entrepreneurial success. Embrace the future of research with Tavily today. Tool number 2, Suno AI, music royalties. Suno AI stands out as a revolutionary tool for creators, enabling them to delve into the world of music without prior experience. Imagine producing high-quality tracks swiftly. It opens doors to various revenue streams. Picture a budding musician generating diverse tracks effortlessly, transforming simple ideas into profitable music assets while enjoying the creative process. With Suno, users can easily explore genres, making it an enticing option for anyone looking to monetize their passion, just like David did, and potentially creating a sustainable income through innovative music production. Suno AI is your gateway to effortless creativity. Embrace the future of music creation with Suno AI, where imagination meets technology, offering endless possibilities to aspiring artists and entrepreneurs alike. It's not just about making music, it's about unlocking the potential to thrive in the digital landscape. Let your creativity soar and discover the potential within each note. Tool number 3, Efficient Labs, auto-blogging. Imagine a content creator diving into the vast ocean of YouTube, brimming with insightful videos, but struggling to keep up with writing compelling articles. With Efficient Labs, they can effortlessly transform detailed transcripts into engaging, SEO-friendly posts, slashing 8 hours of work into mere minutes. This transformative process not only enhances productivity, but also amplifies their online reach, inviting a brand new audience to explore their passion. Efficient Labs is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to harness the power of video content without the extensive time commitment. By integrating Efficient Labs with your how-to YouTube channel, you can maximize your content's impact and streamline your writing process, ensuring your audience receives valuable insights efficiently. Embrace this innovative solution and watch as your online presence flourishes while you focus on creating even more engaging videos. Tool number 4, Bardeep, AI teammates. Imagine a bustling Etsy shop filled with vibrant crafts. The seller, overwhelmed with countless customer inquiries, turns to Bardeep's AI employee to manage their communication. In just moments, it efficiently handles 300 messages each week, freeing the seller to focus on creating their next masterpiece, while saving a remarkable $1,500 a month on potential virtual assistants. With Bardeep, every message is crafted thoughtfully, ensuring customer satisfaction while transforming a once overwhelming task into a seamless process. With Bardeen, business owners can now scale their operations without the stress, as their AI tools empower them to engage with clients effortlessly and effectively. Embrace the future of productivity and watch as your business thrives like never before. Tool number 5, Maple AI, Automated Stores. In a digital world where speed is essential, Maple allows anyone to set up a full e-commerce store in just 5 minutes. With features like automatic product page generation, descriptions, and ads, it empowers even beginners to kickstart their online business effortlessly and profitably. Imagine launching a t-shirt store designed entirely by AI. With Maple, the possibilities are endless, as even novices can achieve remarkable successes, like a recent example of a beginner's AI-designed t-shirt store earning $3,000 in merely 60 days. This tool transforms dreams into reality, creating financial opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere. Are you ready to take your AI knowledge to the next level? Start by commenting AI tools below, and I'll ensure you receive the profit prompts that could change your game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to empower your journey. Pick one tool to test this week. By subscribing, you'll gain exclusive insights into my 12-month AI workflow that can help you achieve similar success. Take action now and let's elevate your skills together. Join the community and unlock the potential of AI tools today. The AI gold rush is accelerating. Will you watch or profit?